Hello, everybody. My name is Maria Fernanda Sierra Parra, and today I'm gonna be presenting the English sounds according to the IPA chart. So we're gonna start with the monophthongs. These are vowel sounds, and I'm gonna present each of them, and I'm gonna present an example per sound. So let's start with E, as in ship. Then we have E, as in cheap. Then we have as in good. Then we have U, as in shoot. Then we have E, as in bet. Then we have as in teacher, teacher. As in bird. O, as in door. A, as in cat, cat. A, a, as in up, up. As in far. Uh, O, as in on, on. Now we're going to present the diphthongs sounds. So they are E, as in here. E, as in hair, hair. U, as in tourist, tourist. Ow, as in cow, cow. O, O, as in show, show. A, A, as in wait, wait. I, as in my. Oi, as in boy, oi. Now to finish, let's present the consonant sound. P, as in P, P. B, as in boat, B. T, as in tea, T. D, as in dog, D. Ch, as in cheese, Ch. J as in June. J, K as in car. K, G as in go. G, as in fly. V as in video. V, as in think. V, as in this. V, as in see. S, Z as in Sue. Z, sh as in shawl. Sh, Z as in television. Z, M as in men. M, N, N as in now. Now. Ng, ng as in sing. As in hat. L, L as in laugh. Laugh. Er, as in red. W, w as in wet. W, j, j as in yes. Y. And those are all of the sounds, English sounds, described by the IPA chart. Thank you so much for listening and for your attention. I really hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.